Hello and welcome to Every Dad DIY. I'm Gavin. Today we're going to be making this little coffee table right here. So it's designed to go in between two armchairs so that you have somewhere to put your coffee when you're sitting down relaxing. So stick with me and let's get started. Okay, so we've got our timber. This is a top off an old desk. I'm not sure what kind of wood it is, but it looks quite nice, and it'll look even better once it's sanded up and all. This is just a quick rough drawing of my idea. So this is a side view. So you can see it has two legs with braces on the top and bottom, and then the top and bottom on either side of that. This is a front view, so you can see here's the top, the bottom, the little braces either side, and then this is the front of one leg and the other leg is behind that, and that's just a top view. It'll have rounded corners, and so you can see the design. It'll fit nicely in between two chairs. So there's nothing left to do but get stuck in and start cutting this down. Okay, so the next thing you're going to see me doing is sanding up these pieces that we cut out. So I've got my mouse and various sanding papers. So I'll start with the roughest and work back to the finest. I'll be using my mask and my ear protection. And so I'm just going to get going sanding.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
thanks so much for watching that video. I really appreciate it. It would be great if you consider subscribing and sharing the video with your friends and family and stuff like that. Get them on to watch and subscribe and like videos, and hopefully we'll grow the channel, and as the channel grows then we'll do hopefully more videos and bigger videos and all the rest of it. So yeah, please consider doing that. Other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.